You're cleaning up your Mac or an external drive, and suddenly you run into this. Two folders with the same name like work projects, so naturally you drag one into other and macOS asks replace or stop. And that's where things gets confusing. If you click replace, you could overwrite important files, but if you click stop, nothing gets merged at all. So how do you actually combine folders without losing anything? Hi, I'm Anastasia from Nektony, and in this video, I'll show you how to safely merge folders on your Mac without overwriting important files or creating a mess of duplicates. When the replace dialog pops up, the real problem is that Finder only looks at file names. It doesn't tell you which version is newer, whether the content are different, or if the files are actually identical. It just asks you to choose. And when you are dealing with documents, photos, or backups, blind choices can quickly turn into lost files or duplicate clutter. So instead of guessing every time, you need a way to compare what's actually inside folders. That's where Duplicate File Finder can help. It lets you merge folders while clearly showing which files are identical, which are different, and which versions you may want to keep. There are two ways to merge folders here. If your folders mostly contain different files, you just want everything combined into one place, this is the fastest method. Open Duplicate File Finder and go to the Merge Folders section in the sidebar. Then add folders you want to combine. Once they are added, click Review. Now choose the destination folder, the place where all files will be merged. You can also create a brand new folder if you want a clean start. Then click Review to merge and confirm the action. Done. Your files now are safely merged in one location. Another case is where most people run into problems when folders contain both duplicates and unique files. Here is a safe way to fix it. Add your folders and click Find Duplicates. Then open the Similar Folders tab, where you'll see both duplicates and unique files, and click Merge Folders. You'll now see a comparison view where you can choose the destination folder, control the merge direction, and decide how duplicates should be handled. Once everything looks right, click Review to merge, then click Merge to confirm. And that's it, your folders are merged. Nothing important gets overwritten, and you never have to guess which version to keep. If you want to try Duplicate File Finder, the link is in the description below. And if you are also trying to clean duplicate files across your entire Mac, check out this next video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.